Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open notification bar, tap right here, and if you want to change position of these icons, for example you want to get NFC right here, just click hold and then put it like that. When you want to remove one of these icons, like AirPlay mode, click hold and then put it here. And if you want to add additional icons from this section, for example you would like to get focus mode, just make the same, click hold and then drag it here. After that, when we go back, as you can see, everything is saved. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.